subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Galaxy A70s back in September last year, the company is now reported to launch its successor as Galaxy A70e, and it is rumored to be more affordable than its predecessor. Recently, a popular leakster on Leaks in partner with Compare Raja has shared a leaked CAD-based renders of upcoming Galaxy A70e smartphone. According to the leak renders, the Galaxy A70e is seen to support a water drop notch style display with thick bezels around the edges, and the screen is set to measure around 6.1 inch in size. The rear panel of the phone has vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash, and there is also a rear mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while on the left appears to have ejectable SIM card slot. The bottom of the phone houses a speaker grill, microphone and micro USB charging port, while the 3.5mm headphone jack is present on the top of the phone. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is expected to measure at 156.8 by 76.45 by 9.35mm. The leak renders also suggest the phone to come in black and white color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A70e has leaked so far, but we expect the smartphone to come with in-house Exynos chipset, and it will run on latest Android 10 out of the box based on Samsung's One UI 2.0 skin on top. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A70e smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.